Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9th exercise 2.1 question number 1 part 2nd. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. Firstly I want to describe about polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a base n x power n plus a base n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a base n minus 2 x power n minus 2 so on. Now I want to describe about types of polynomial because polynomial are many types. First, linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Form of linear polynomial is ax plus b equal to 0. It has 1 0 means one answer. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? Now I want to describe about quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It has 2 zeros means 2 answer. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. It has 3 zeros means 3 answer. Now I want to describe about biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 4 or more than 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Form of biquadratic polynomial is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. It has 4 zeros or more than 4 zeros. It means it has 4 or more than 4 answers. It is clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Polynomial have terms, operations, coefficients, variables and degree. Alphabet x, y, z, a, b, c, so on are variables. Sign plus and minus is called its operations. Number in front of each variable is called its coefficients. Maximum power of variable is called its degree. Separated part by plus minus operation is called terms of polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and see the word with full concentration. Clear? See the word. NCERT polynomial class 9 exercise 2.1 question number 1. Which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? Clear? No confusion about it. Which are in one variable and which are not in one variable. Clear? State reason for your answer. It means you verify it. Clear? It has polynomial of one variable or not one variable. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Question second. Y square plus root 2 is your question. You verify it has polynomial of one variable or not one variable. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Solution. Y square plus root 2. Here root 2 is a constant and plus is operation and y is variable and 2 is power of y means degree of this polynomial. Clear? Term y square and root 2 is separated by sign plus. It means it has two terms. Clear? No confusion about it. Power is positive, non-negative. Here y square plus root 2 is an expression having only non-negative integral power of y. Power is positive, non-negative. Hence y square plus root 2 is a polynomial in variable y. Variable y. Here variable is y. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. In this way you can solve any question by the help of this solution. Given question has polynomial of one variable or not one variable. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is easy. Clear? Very good. Okay.